Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to send XRP from your Arculus wallet to Revolut in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you transfer your XRP securely and efficiently. Whether you're building your investment portfolio or just moving funds, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the latest version for 2025. This ensures you have all the new security features and compatibility tweaks. Open the app and log in with your secure PIN or biometric authentication. Always prioritize safety. Next, navigate to your XRP balance. You'll see a Send or Transfer button. Tap that to get started. Now, you'll need to enter the recipient's details. For Revolut, input your Revolut XRP wallet address. Double-check this to avoid any costly mistakes. It's usually found in your Revolut app under the crypto section. Once you've entered the address, specify the amount of XRP you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated total cost before proceeding. In 2025, the XRP network is even faster, but fees can still vary based on congestion. Hit Confirm and review the transaction details one last time. After confirmation, the transaction will process on the XRP ledger. This usually takes just a few seconds to a minute. Once it's done, head over to your Revolut app to verify that the XRP has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a little time and check your transaction history in Arculus for confirmation. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. Also, keep an eye on Revolut's policies, as they might have limits on crypto deposits in 2025. There you have it. That's how you send XRP from Arculus to Revolut. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.